how to request a refund on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can request a refund on Aegean Airlines. And how do you do so? Let's say for example you booked a flight and then you want the flight cancelled and you want a refund. Let's say you already sent a message to the customer service and you've cancelled your flight already, but you've not been refunded. What do you do? After logging into your account, go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon for it to open a new tab, and then in the search box, type out Aegean Airlines refund form. Yes, you would have to fill an online refund request form for you to be able to request for a refund. So after clicking on that, on this page, you can see the first option here, which is online refund request form. So just go ahead and select it. So after selecting online refund request form, you can see the write up which says in case your upcoming flight has been cancelled, you may request a monetary refund, etc. Read through this so that you can understand it, and then after understanding it, you can see which says please fill in the refund form here. So click on here so you can be taken to the refund form page. All right, and then at this stage you can see the form. In order for you to proceed to the form, you would be asked to enter your ticket number here as well as your surname. Then after entering it in, check this box, and then after that fill in this captcha to be sure if you are human, and then click check eligibility. This is to check if you are eligible for you to get a refund. All right, so to prevent scammers or those that want a refund even after their tickets were not cancelled. So that clicking on check eligibility, your eligible status will be checked to show if you are truly seeking for a refund and if truly your flight has been cancelled or delayed or whatever. And then once you're eligible, you will be directed to the online form, and then there you can now fill in all of the required process. Then once the processes as once the fields required field has been filled, then click on submit form, and then you wait for responses, and eventually your money will be refunded. So this is how you can request for a refund on Aegean Airlines. So after trying this, if you still cannot if you still do not get your money, the next would be to contact the customer support. So go to the top part of the screen, click on help and contact, and then you'll be taken to the help and contact page where you can contact the customer support directly and ask for your refund. This is how you can request for a refund on Aegean Airlines. Thank you so much for watching.